What's up, everybody? I'm Jason. This is the Freebird Garage, and we are on our way to the D.A.M Motorcycle Show. Alright, the D.A.M Motorcycle Show. Yes, it's spelled D.A.M, standing for Detroit Antique Motorcycle Show, hosted by a gentleman named Randy, who created the show. I'll put his Instagram below. You guys should check him out. He has a little claim to fame himself. He is on and the main, I don't know, person of a Harley Davidson commercial back, I think, during the winter, or maybe even March of last year. One that was hosted by Mr. Jason Momoa, famous, obviously, actor out there, put it together. And I believe last show when I went to the show, he actually had shots of him meeting and working with Jason on the commercial. It's really cool. And I haven't personally met Randy, but I've messaged him about the show, and the guy is super friendly, real nice. Everyone that talks about him says he's a real cool guy. I meet him today, awesome. Other than that, Randy, nice job, for putting on the show. What the Detroit Antique Motorcycle Show isn't just about antiques. It has custom built bikes, invites only, and I believe he gives like all the builders these sweet damn ring. There goes my wife and daughter right now. They are meeting me down in the show. We're making it a bit of a family event. To carry on real quick is the heart of Detroit, one of my favorite cities to visit and travel down to. I'm not far from it. It's one of the great places my wife and I like to go see and go travel to, have a good time at night. Sports and all that good stuff that's down here, and concerts. It's definitely changed over the years and made itself way better than what it was 10 years ago. And where we're going in particular used to be not the best area. It's definitely cleaned itself up. Third Man Records is out there. If you don't know who that is, it is actually Jack White of the White Stripe record label, but it's all good fun. If you've ever been here before, you go to the main hearts of the areas of the little towns like Corktown. The hotels are generally pretty inexpensive, so you can usually if you can get one at night, stay here for it. It's pretty sweet. Nightlife is pretty good. But back to the show. The show goes on it's been going on for about 3 years now. This is my second time going, so it's fairly new. Very sweet to see that Detroit has its own heart show now, thanks to Randy putting it on, and we are about to get there right now.
Nice bike.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
What is that? Late 80s?
It's a 92 FXR.
92.
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother had an FXR.
Did he? Yeah, they're fun, man.
Oh yeah. I've got the predecessor. I've got a Dyna in 88.
Oh yeah. Yep.
88.
Yep. That was right after that. What year?
Mine's a 2000.
Nice. That's one of the best frames too. A little bit lighter, 5-speed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just getting ready to put a big bore on it.
That's sweet. What are you gonna move up to?
Like 100.
Is it? Yep.
Is this motor stock?
Yep, all stock. Other than I did bigger jets on the CV carb, went with a 2-in-1, and that's pretty much like a stage 1 style, obviously. But yeah, thank you. I appreciate that.
You really sought after.
Yeah. What's your name?
Bill.
Bill. Jason.
Jason, nice to meet you.
You too, man. That is the D.A.M Show. I gotta get the directions on the way home, make sure I don't get lost in the D here. Randy, nice job putting that on. If you're ever in the Detroit area, you gotta check it out. It's growing every year. As always, if you made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press that notification, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. For those that have already subscribed, thank you, and as always, stay free, and I'll catch you guys later.